Next, we're going to look at how to use the Writing Feedback Coach. For this example, I'm going to use the RLA 6th through English 2 ECR Feedback Coach tool. So I'm going to click on the tool. And the first thing you're going to do is pick your grade level. So my example is for 9th grade. In the describe the assignment, what you're going to put in here is the prompt and the text, if there's the mentor text that comes with the question, if there was something that the kids had to read. So I'm going to use this as an example. So here is the mentor text for my 9th grade. I'm going to come down here and I'm going to select the entire text that they had to read, all the way down to the end, because we want to give the tool all the information that the students had when they responded to the ECR. So I'm going to copy this and I'm going to come over to my tool. I'm going to paste that in here. Okay. And then right above it, I'm going to put the writing prompt. Okay, so this was the directions. They had to read the story, explain the significance, and here is all of their information. So I'm going to copy this, come back to my tool, and I'm going to paste this. So now the tool has all of the information. It has the question with the complete instructions, and it has the mentor text. Now I'm going to paste the answer that the students wrote. So I'm going to come down here. This is the model text, and here is a student sample. So I'm going to put this in as my student sample. And then I'm going to click generate. And now it's going to give feedback on that student's writing specific to the prompt and the mentor text. So what it's going to do is it's going to give areas of strength, areas for growth, general feedback on writing mechanics, what the STAR score would have been if they had written this on the STAR test, and key conferencing questions that you can use when you conference with this student. So the nice thing is, if we have more than one response that we're wanting feedback in, instead of continuing to start over and then re-put in the mentor text and the question, if we come over here and grab another student sample, I can paste that in. And it will let me keep going on another student's work. So I don't have to start the tool all over again from scratch.